Hi everyone, my name's Rebecca and I'm here with Direct Candle Supply to answer some frequently asked questions about our paraffin wax. Bubbles in candles can be due to multiple factors such as humidity and temperature of the wax and temperature of the container. The easiest solution for this is to pour the wax around 10 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit higher than the recommended temperature. Adding 1% Vibra solution can also help with this process, and more details about our Vibra additive can be found in the description below. If the container is cold, we recommend heating it, and finally, setting the candle to cool at room temperature is best. When packaging our wax, we weigh out each package to the desired weight, either 5, 10, or 20 pounds. Due to variations in the wax, each slab is not equal to 1 pound, which is why your container might not have exactly 10, 5, or 20 slabs. For example, with these two containers, they are both 10-pound containers, however, one of them has 10 slabs and one of them has 9. However, when weighed and measured, they both have 10 pounds. Before shipping, we ensure quality control in each package and recommend that you weigh your wax if you have any questions about the number of slabs and the volume you've received. With paraffin wax, there are sometimes slight variations in color, with some having a translucent color and others being smoother with small pore-like holes. These variations do not impact the quality, and once poured and melted will produce the same effect. For example, these two slabs. This one is slightly thicker and white, and this one is more translucent and has those holes that I was talking about. Both of these are totally normal and function exactly the same once you use them. Paraffin has a shrinking nature once it becomes a solid, a feature that is enhanced in cold weather, or if the container is too cold. To correct this, we recommend you heat up the container before pouring to ensure that it adheres to the sides. Yes, this wax can be used for melts and tarts since it holds between 4 to 6% in fragrance load. But for best results, we do recommend our tarts and melts wax that has been specifically formulated for this purpose, and a link to it can be found in the description below. For example, I have 3 different wax melts in front of me. This one using paraffin wax, this one using coconut wax, and the last one with our specifically made tarts and melts wax. The effect produced in a candle is due to the temperature of the wax when poured and the temperature of the container. A smooth effect requires a warm pour and a warm container. A mottled effect requires a cold pour and a cold container. And finally, a textured effect requires a cold pour with either a cold or room temperature container. I hope I've answered any questions that you might have had, but feel free to reach out to directcandlesupply.com if you need any more information.